Welcome to Edenice Technologies, where we create, upload, and enrich you with creative content that helps you grow and develop your tech skills. Don't forget to like and comment on the video you are about to watch. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with new contents. Alright, welcome once again to our amazing tutorials. Okay, so for today we are going to be looking at how to create a folder, and after that we will look at how to rename it and how to also change the icon of the folder you have created. Alright, so let's get going. It is important to know that creating folders on a computer is necessary for organizing and managing files efficiently. Okay, so I'm going to be giving you some reasons why you need to create a folder in your computer system. Okay, the first is for organization purpose. All right, folders help to keep related files together, make it easier to locate and access them whenever needed. Okay, now the second one is ease of access. Organized folders allow for quicker access to the files you have there. Okay. Now, the third one is clear structure. Folders provide a clear structure for storing files based on categories, projects, or criteria. All right. The fourth one is file management. Folders facilitate file management tasks such as copying, moving, and deleting files. Okay, then the last one is backup and recovery. Folders can also help us to organize folders so as to make it easy to create backups of important files. Okay, so in summary, what we are trying to say is that creating folders on a computer system is essential for maintaining order, efficiency, and productivity in file management tasks. Okay, it helps the users to stay organized, find files quickly, and manage their digital assets effectively. All right, so how do you go about creating a folder now? If you want to create a folder on your desktop or on any other location, you can also create folders. When you open your file explorer and you are on your documents, you can also create folders. As you can see, I have various folders here in my documents, and I arranged my files over here for easy accessibility. Okay, so you can create folders on the desktop, and you can create folders even on your documents with the same procedure. All right, so let's work on the desktop, and with the same procedure as we have done on the desktop, you can also do in any other location in your file explorer. Okay, so to create a folder, you right click on a free space on either on your desktop or in your file explorer, anywhere you are. So if I right click on a free space here, a drop down option will come out. From there, you locate new. And then when you drop your mouse pointer on new, you will see folder. The first thing here is folder. Okay. Now you click on folder. On clicking on the folder, you will notice that the new folder written there is highlighted. Okay. Why is it highlighted? Why is it so? It is so because it is expecting you to rename the folder you have just created, because the new folder is the default name. Okay, and the computer system expects that you rename it. So assuming, or for instance, I want to create a folder to store music on my computer system, what do? I will now type music. Okay, so this is a folder for music. I type music, and after that you can just press the enter key, and this folder has been created. And when you double click on the folder to open, you will notice that the folder is empty. Why? Because I have not put anything there. Okay, so the music folder now is like a container that I will store my music inside. in an organized manner, okay, for easy access. All right. So now let's assume that maybe I made a mistake and I want to rename this particular folder now, like I told you before. So you right click on the folder, right click on the folder, and then from the options you will see rename. Okay, I click on rename, and then the music will be highlighted again, and the computer is still expecting you at this point to type in what you want to rename the folder. All right, so let's assume that I want to rename the folder as video instead of music. I will now type in my video, and after that I click on enter key on the keyboard, and this folder has renamed. Okay, so at this point we have done the first, which is to create a folder, and the second, which is to rename a folder. Now let's get to the third, which is to change the icon of the folder. Now the icon of the folder I'm seeing here is a yellow folder. All right, so I can decide to change this particular icon and to any other icon of my choice. So what do? I right click on the folder, get to properties. That's the last option, get to properties. From the properties, you will see general, you will see sharing, you will see security, you will see previous versions, and you will see customize. All right. So from the customize, you can see an option here for folder pictures, and it's asking you to choose a file to show on this folder icon. Now you can click on choose a file, okay, and then when you click on choose a file, you might either select pictures, okay, you might either select pictures you want the folder to be here. When you click OK and click on apply, you notice what happens here. All right, the particular picture I've selected now comes here as the icon of the folder. All right, so but I can choose from already made icons in the computer system, and if I want to do that, I click on change icon. Alright, so since the name of my folder is video, I can decide to choose an icon that displays more like a video. Alright, so maybe let's use this. I click on OK, having selected this icon, I click on OK and click on apply. And once I apply it, you notice that my folder now has the icons of video. Alright, so you have successfully changed the icon of your folder at this point. Right, so thank you for watching and join us for more tutorials. Stay tuned.